Could you wait for a second and pay attention? Using this simple method, you will not be paid by day or hour, but rather per minute. That's true. You'll receive your earnings and payment in a flash. Furthermore, there will be no marketing on social media or completing surveys. There isn't anything really challenging about it. This is by far the easiest method for complete beginners to make their first large amount of money online, and you don't have to lift a finger. All you have to do now is assign the work to others. Anyone from anywhere in the world can participate in this opportunity, which involves no investment and does not require the use of a credit card. Keep an eye out for some bonus tips and tricks peppered throughout the video. Don't lose out on this opportunity because all you have to do is copy and paste. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Now let's just get back to the video. First and foremost, I want you to go to Skillshare.com. This website provides a wide range of online workshops, video training, and courses. People come to this site to acquire new talents. People may come over here to learn things like animation, graphic design, music, or photography, for example, by clicking on the Browse button at the top. There are so many various classes that people can join and view different videos on the platform. Now, you might be wondering how we're going to make money from this website, but don't worry, that's precisely what we'll discuss next. Now, when you go to this website's homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom. I want you to click on the Become a Teacher link under the teaching area. Then you'll proceed to this page where you may create a free account. Join up as a teacher and begin posting videos to this website. Just remember that you won't have to create any videos because I'll show you a special method for getting pre-made videos to upload right away. And it'll be a lot easier than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can start making money online right away. So here's how it works on Skillshare.com. You make your first class, then post videos to the website. And then, anytime people join and view the video, you can start making money. And they'll pay you per minute. Yes, you heard it correctly. You get paid for every minute that people view your classes. And there are a number of people that make thousands of dollars a year on this platform simply by posting videos. According to the How Can I Earn Money section, you'll make money through monthly royalties based on the amount of minutes that people watch your videos plus referral bonuses. The first income stream is simply posting videos, and for every single watch of the video, you will receive money per minute. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with no limits. You can collect commissions and referral bonuses on autopilot with income stream number 2. So all you have to do right now is click on the green button here to start a class, and you'll be taken to this page. You can then see here that you can actually upload videos so that you may earn money when people watch them. And when you click on this upload video button, you'll be taken to the page where you can upload a video to this website. So stick with me the entire process because I'll show you exactly where you can get free videos that you can easily re-upload to the website in a moment. Now I'll show you a few instances. When I click on the Browse button at the top, I'll select the graphic design category, and then we'll be sent to the graphic design website. There are almost 1 million followers, as you can see. So what I enjoy about Skillshare is that all you have to do is publish your videos, and millions of individuals and visitors come here every day, looking for videos and classes to watch and learn about something. For instance, this video playlist was published by a content producer, and as you can see, there are a lot of videos in just one playlist, each of which is only 1 to 10 minutes long. These videos are all extremely easy and quick, and every time someone clicks play and watches them, they receive money. So right now, as I'm recording this video, the uploader is making money by allowing people to watch the video that he uploaded. And this is a great way for you to make a passive income because once you copy and paste the video on here, people from all over the world will see your videos on Skillshare naturally without you having to promote them. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. The next thing I'd like you to do is go to renderforest.com. This is the place where we will be able to obtain free videos that we may utilize and publish to Skillshare.com. This is a well-known business where you can come to generate multimedia collaterals. But for now, let's just concentrate on making videos. So go to the top of this toolbar and click on Create Videos, and you'll be sent to this page where it says Video Templates that fit your needs. The reason I like Render Forest is that you can acquire video templates for free, and there are a lot of options to select from, even if they are simply short videos. They're all professionally made, and you can obtain all of them for free with only a few clicks. And the greatest part is that you can do it on your mobile phone. Now, I advise you to go with whiteboard animation toolkits, because there are a lot of people who are interested in this area, which is an advantage when you publish it to Skillshare.com as a training course. So, all you have to do is click here and you'll be sent to this page, which states Whiteboard Animation Toolkits. As you can see, it has over 1,000 ratings and a lot of people are using it and love it, giving it a rating of over 4.45 stars out of 5 stars. Quickly, I'd like to show you what it looks like over these white or tutorial video templates. Similar to what you're seeing right now. It's merely a whiteboard template with a video tutorial that teaches individuals a new skill set. They're actually very simple to comprehend, and they're all very professional. So you may utilize them all for your template. We can view different videos generated by other people using these templates by scrolling down below. There are professional people who love it, and they are proven templates that are 100% done for you. You can do the same thing on this website by clicking a few buttons that I'll show you right now. And you won't need any technical knowledge or experience. All you have to do now is go to this website and click on the Create Now button right here, and you'll be taken to a page where you can make a new video. Now, very important, there are 3 options here. I want you to click on this Load a Preset option where you can choose a storyline that is already done for you. Once you've chosen this Load a Preset option, simply go in and click on this Create button. And as you can see, there are a lot of ready-made stories, templates, and tutorial videos here. There are many free training videos on Render Forest that you can use on Skillshare.com, and by following this easy method, you may start earning a lot of money online, much like the people who earn constant passive income 24/7. Now, if you only want to make one video on this topic, click on this video, and they'll show you a preview of this video template. All you have to do now is view the video or go to this blue button, Use Ready Story, and a new page will appear where you can add something to this video. However, with this website, everything is basically done for you. All of the plot lines and timelines have been done for you. If you like, you can alter the categories and wordings on the page, as well as customize anything else. You might wish to alter this text, for example. You can just click on Add Text to change the text you desire. You can edit any text you like, and after you click on this, you'll be able to change the text on the video itself, as you can see here. So it's actually rather simple to adjust the text right here. But again, everything is taken care of for you. And you don't have to do much. After you finish changing and testing the text in each video, go ahead and click on a style to move on to the next step. You can choose a board drawn or cut paper style right here, both of which are actually quite good. But I'll go ahead and select board drawn. Click on this style right here and then click on the third step, which is to choose colors. These are all custom colors. And when I click on the main color button, I can choose whatever color I want. For example, if I want blue, I can simply click on confirm and the color will be changed to blue. It's actually quite simple, as everything is done for you by simply clicking a few buttons. Now that you've decided on your colors, you can move on to step number 4. where you'll select your music. Once again, they have done all of the work for you. They have chosen this music for you to utilize, or you can search through hundreds of different categories to locate music that you can use. You can choose whatever you want and listen to the background music by clicking on the preview. After selecting the song, you can choose whatever you want. In this case, I like corporate motivation, and I can just continue to the final stage and click on the preview button. With the preview, you can do this. You don't have to pay a thing to reiterate on this website. It is completely free. And you may download this video from renterforest.com. Remember that you can use the same method on multiple themes or films with different storylines to build different lesson videos that you can upload on Skillshare.com and earn money from every time someone clicks play and watches your videos. Now is not the time to pass up this opportunity, so go ahead and try it out and start making money for yourself. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.